Breaking news for every Australian senior: Centrelink has just confirmed a massive $5,000 age pension update, and if you're not across it, you could miss out on thousands of dollars in support. This is happening right now, and I'll explain exactly who qualifies, when it's paid, and what you must do today before it's too late. If you want to stay ahead of all the latest news on Centrelink, age pensions, and retirement changes, and make sure you never miss a payment update, hit that subscribe button right now and turn on the notification bell. I post clear, no-nonsense explanations and tips that actually help you keep more money in your pocket. Join our community and be the first to know about every important change that affects your pension. Today, I've got an incredibly important update that could mean up to $5,000 in additional support for certain Australians on the age pension. Yes, you heard that right, $5,000. This isn't a rumor or a scam. It's a real government discussion, and for some people, an active rollout that could have a significant financial impact. So whether you're currently receiving the pension, planning to apply soon, or helping an elderly family member navigate the system, you'll want to pay close attention all the way through, because I'm going to explain exactly what this update is, who qualifies, how much you might receive, and what you need to do right now to make sure you don't miss out. Over the last few weeks, the government and Centrelink have been under growing pressure to address the cost of living crisis hitting older Australians. Rent is climbing, groceries are more expensive than ever, and electricity and gas bills are through the roof. Even after the most recent pension indexation increases, many retirees are still struggling to make ends meet. In response, there's been talk from the Treasury and Services Australia about a targeted payment package that provides one-off financial assistance for those who need it most. The figure being circulated, and in some cases already appearing in people's Centrelink accounts, is a $5,000 payment. It's part of a broader plan aimed at easing financial stress for pensioners, particularly those in vulnerable circumstances such as renters, low-income households, or people living on the full age pension with little savings. Now, it's important to understand that this isn't a random bonus or a universal payout for all seniors. This payment forms part of the government's cost of living relief measures introduced in late 2025. The plan is designed to ensure that older Australians who have been hardest hit by rising costs get some breathing room. While the $5,000 figure is the upper limit, not everyone will receive the full amount. For some people, it might be a smaller supplement, depending on their personal financial situation, housing circumstances, and eligibility status. For example, a full-rate pensioner renting privately might be entitled to a larger payment compared to someone who owns their home outright or receives a part pension. The government's approach here is to target the assistance where it's most urgently needed. So, who exactly is eligible for this payment? From what's been shared publicly and through government communication, the $5,000 is linked primarily to people receiving the age pension through Centrelink. Those on the full pension are at the top of the list, particularly if they also receive Commonwealth rent assistance. Individuals and couples who are long-term renters, have minimal assets, and depend entirely on their pension are expected to be prioritized. There's also a strong possibility that holders of the Commonwealth Seniors Health Card, even if they don't get the age pension itself, could be included in a secondary round of payments, though that part hasn't been fully confirmed yet. The government is using Centrelink's existing data to identify eligible people automatically, so you won't need to fill out new forms or apply manually for the payment. This is a big relief for many seniors who find the application process stressful. To make sure you don't miss out, though, it's absolutely crucial that your details with Centrelink are up to date. That includes your address, bank account, income, and assets information. If anything has changed recently, maybe you've moved, opened a new account, or changed your living situation, log into your MyGov account and update your information as soon as possible. Centrelink uses these details to assess whether you qualify, and if your information is outdated, your payment could be delayed or even missed altogether. It only takes a few minutes to update your record, and it could make a difference of thousands of dollars. Now let's talk about when this payment is happening, because timing matters. The rollout of these cost of living relief payments is expected to begin between late October and December 2025. For some people, notifications have already appeared in their Centrelink online account messages section. These notifications usually say something like your cost of living payment or supplementary assistance. Don't panic if you haven't seen anything yet. The rollout is being done in stages across different regions and payment types. Once your payment is processed, it will either appear as a separate deposit into your bank account or be added to your regular pension payment. Keep an eye on your bank statements and Centrelink messages for updates. This payment is more than just a financial boost. It's a recognition of how hard things have become for older Australians. For years, pensioners have been asking the government to review how the pension rate is calculated, especially in light of inflation and skyrocketing living costs. The official pension indexation system adjusts payments twice a year, but those increases rarely keep up with real-world expenses. For example, even though pensions went up by around $30 a fortnight earlier in 2025, the cost of essential groceries like bread, milk, and fresh produce jumped by much more. So, this $5,000 relief package, while temporary, is meant to bridge that gap and provide some much-needed stability heading into 2026. There's also a political side to this update. With a federal election not far away, both major parties are eager to show they're supporting older Australians. Seniors make up a significant portion of the voting population, and issues like pension adequacy, rent relief, and healthcare costs are major election topics. So even beyond this $5,000 payment, you can expect to see more announcements about pension rate reviews, rent assistance increases, and potential boosts to the energy supplement and pharmaceutical benefits scheme for older Australians. In short, the government knows seniors are struggling, and this payment may be the first step in a broader support plan. So, what should you be doing right now to make sure you're ready? First, as mentioned earlier, make sure your Centrelink and MyGov details are correct. Double check that your bank details are current, especially if you've changed banks recently. Second, watch out for scams. Unfortunately, anytime there's news about a large government payment, scammers take advantage of it. Centrelink will never contact you through text messages or random emails asking for personal or bank details. If you receive any messages claiming to be from Centrelink asking you to click a link or verify your account, do not respond. The only safe way to check your eligibility or messages is by logging directly into your official MyGov account through the government website. Next, make sure your income and assets declarations are up to date. If you've recently sold something, inherited money, or your superannuation has changed, report that to Centrelink. Even small changes can affect your eligibility and the size of the payment you receive. And finally, spread the word. A lot of older Australians don't have internet access or don't use MyGov regularly. Tell your friends, neighbors, or parents about this update. Many seniors miss out on payments simply because they didn't know they existed or thought they weren't eligible. Now, let's touch briefly on what this means for the future of the age pension. This $5,000 payment could set a precedent for how the government handles inflation-based financial stress going forward. Instead of relying solely on indexation, which only happens twice a year, the government may start to introduce more responsive support measures like this during economic crises. That could mean smaller, more frequent top-ups rather than waiting for the next pension increase cycle. Economists are already calling on Canberra to review how pension adjustments are calculated, suggesting that payments should be tied more closely to essential living costs rather than broad inflation figures. For example, when fuel, rent, or energy prices rise sharply, seniors should see an immediate support adjustment, not have to wait 6 months for a minor indexation bump. For now, though, this $5,000 update is a positive sign. It shows that the government is at least acknowledging the problem and taking action. It's also a reminder of the importance of staying informed. Centrelink changes often fly under the radar, and sometimes the only way to know what's happening is through updates like this. That's why I always encourage you to subscribe to the channel, because every time there's a change, whether it's a pension increase, a supplement adjustment, or a new rebate, I'll make sure you're among the first to know. So, to recap everything we've covered today, the government is in the process of rolling out a cost of living relief payment of up to $5,000 for eligible Australian seniors. It's targeted mainly at those on the full age pension, particularly renters or low-income pensioners. Payments are being processed automatically. No application needed, but you must ensure your details are current. The rollout is expected between late October and December 2025, and it may appear as a one-off deposit or as part of your regular pension payment. This initiative is designed to ease immediate financial pressure, and it could pave the way for bigger pension reforms in 2026. If you haven't already, log in to your MyGov account today, check your messages, and review your personal details. Don't forget to share this video with anyone who might benefit: your parents, grandparents, neighbors, or anyone on the age pension. Every person deserves to know about the support they're entitled to. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever I post a new update. We've got more Centrelink news coming soon, including possible pension rate increases and energy rebates that could further boost your payments. Thanks so much for watching and spending part of your day with me. I really appreciate all your comments and messages. It's great to see this community of Australian seniors looking out for one another. Remember, staying informed is one of the best ways to protect your financial well-being. So until next time, stay safe, stay positive, and take care of each other. I'm your name, and I'll see you in the next video.